Okay, so welcome back to another video on HTML5. Now, in this video, we'll be talking about the very basic things called tags. So, what is a tag? A tag is basically a name or an identifier given to something, right? So, everything in HTML is enclosed in tags. So, tags start with a less than symbol, then we have the name of the tag, and we have a greater than symbol. This is what a tag looks like. For example, we have the head tag and the body tag. So we'll have head, we'll have body, right? Things like these. And we have two types of tags. One is the opening tag and the other one is the closing tag, which contains a forward slash just before the name of the tag, right? So this makes them a pair. It starts here and ends here, and whatever content is between these tags is, this function is performed for this particular piece of content. And there is another type of tag called single tag or self-enclosed tag, which contains the slash just after the name here. For example, certain tags which do not have any, which do not need any content, they are self-satisfactory, or they are self-functional. So those kind of tags, for example, we have BR for line break, right? So these kinds of tags which do not need any data for them are used using the self-enclosed or single tags, right? So that is what a tag looks like. Now the very first tag which is there in every HTML document is the doc type tag. So I might as well talk to you guys about this doc type HTML. This is what is the first line in every HTML document. It has to be the first line in every HTML document. Other than that, the document is not valid, right? So doc type basically stands for which type of document are we making. So this basically tells the browser that which version of HTML are we using. So if we use HTML, it will indicate that we are using HTML5, and there are other syntaxes for HTML4 and the previous versions, which is a very lengthy one, right? In HTML4 etc., we have a huge 3-line doc type used to indicate HTML4. In HTML5 they kept it simple, just HTML, right? So again, a tag is the pair, and yes, you do have to include the exclamation symbol. It is not an error, or it is not a mistake, right? It is necessary. So again, a tag starts with the less than symbol, the tag name, and ends with the greater than symbol. This is an opening tag. It ends like this with a forward slash just before the name, and we have self-enclosed tags which look something like this, right? So this is what tags are, and this is what the doc type tag is, right? And now let's go ahead and save this document. So we need to save it as a .html file. So just scroll down in the list. Either you can select hypertext markup language file from here, or you can write .html, whatever you wish, and make sure that you save the file as index.html, right? Every single web page, or the very first web page of any project should be saved with this name, index.html. It is a sort of tradition. Basically, it is necessary to save it at index.html, because the browser, when you're trying to open a project, the browser first searches for the index file. So yeah, that's why we need to save it as index.html. So that was all about tags and the doc type tab for now. In the next video, we'll be discussing the core content of HTML5. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.